This video is about location services in the Tango Tango app for iOS. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to enable and disable location reporting for yourself. We're going to talk about locating a group on the GPS map and also PTT calling based on the GPS map. Let's get started. You can enable or disable sending your location to other users. To do so, there's an icon in the upper left hand of the screen that is green with a check mark if location reporting is on, or red with an X if location reporting is off. Now, if you don't see this icon, you need to contact your administrator because it's possible to force location reporting on or off at the discretion of the administrator. But let's assume that it's enabled for you to be able to enable and disable yourself. All you need to do is toggle by tapping on the icon. So currently the icon is green, meaning that you are reporting your location to other users. And if you tap on that icon goes to red, and that means you're no longer reporting your location. You can view the location of group members. To do so, from the groups page, swipe right on the group, which will reveal some icons, and if you touch the location icon, you'll then be taken to a map that has the other group members whose location is being reported. You can see that here. On the map, there's several icons in the upper left of the map that are useful. First, you can change the type of map, road map, satellite map, etc. You can refresh, which will cause the most current position reported by other users to be updated on your map. You can lock the zoom so that the map stays in the same area as people come in and out of it. Or you can go into tracking mode where you track yourself as you move through the map. You can push to talk from the map as well. When you see several green pins like this, if none of them are highlighted and you push to talk, you will contact and push to talk with all the users who are represented by the green pins. If, however, you highlight one of those green pins by touching it, as I've done here, then if you push to talk, you'll be having a private call with that one person. Also, if you touch this icon, the eye icon that you see displayed here, you can get additional information and links that are useful, which I'll show you now. So here's a menu of available options that you can use from the link that I just pressed. One of them that's particularly useful is navigate to user. If you see it down at the bottom of the list of actions. If you press this, you'll be taken to a map from your phone's operating system that'll actually highlight a route between you and the person that you highlighted. So that's a quick overview of location and GPS services in the Tango Tango app for iOS. Thanks for watching.